10 Scariest Theories Known to Man. Hi. Welcome to Hana Fact. Join us in this video to explore theories that take sleep away from you at night. Science gives you theories. Really boring ones. Philosophy tells you stories. Even more boring. But when they get together, it gets really interesting. Or scary. It can be stimulating and fun to ask yourself the hard questions. To really dig in and examine life, and the big unknowns, and all of the mysteries of the universe. It can also be downright horrifying to consider the possibilities, the answers, and the theories that strive to explain the unexplainable, and these 11 theories are creepy enough to keep you up at night. Read along at your own risk. Because each theory you read will increase your heartbeat. You might end up thinking about these theories the whole night. Take care. 1. Before the Big Bang, there was nothing. Yup. Literally nothing. According to Stephen Hawking, if this were true, the universe would be neither created nor destroyed. It would just be. The creepy part, if there was nothing before the Big Bang, how long did it last before the universe started? And you thought it was tough waiting between seasons of your favorite shows. 2. The Big Bang Theory came from already existing universes. String theory says that there shouldn't be just one universe, but a whole lot of them floating out there. How was ours crafted? Well, speculation is that the Big Bang came from other universes splitting apart or crashing together. Does it make us less unique? Sure. But look on the bright side, if that's true, that means we're not as alone as we thought. 3. The universe is so big, we'll never meet another civilization. There are a lot of planets out there. So many that, statistically speaking, alien life simply has to exist in one form or another. But if that's true, where the heck are they? Well, the Fermi paradox sees that discrepancy and theorizes that it's either much harder for life to exist than we thought, or more life has existed and simply been destroyed over time. Either way, we'd be very alone. 4. The universe is a computer simulation. The Matrix may be real, according to Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom. He suggested that an advanced civilization, with enough computer power, could run a simulation elaborate enough to create artificial minds, physics, and everything else in our universe. Right now, you might just be a really complex set of 1s and 0s. 5. There's an equation for how alone we are in the universe. Dr. Frank Drake wanted to know how many extraterrestrial civilizations we could possibly communicate with, so in 1961 he wrote the Drake equation, which estimates the number of civilizations with which we could possibly make contact. The equation itself has come under scrutiny for using educated guesses as parameters, so it's impossible to get an accurate measurement. 6. Time is literally running out. While some scientists believe the expansion of the universe is accelerating, some theorize that distant celestial bodies only seem that way because we're looking back in time to see them. Remember, it takes a while for their light to reach us. So, that means that they were moving faster in the past than they are in now. Which means time is slowing down. How much is it slowing down? We don't know, but if the theory is correct it may just slow to a stop. 7. Similar to black hole, white hole is also a thing. It is believed that matter and light are constantly trying to escape from them. White holes are considered to be the exact opposite of black holes and these cannot be entered unlike black holes. 8. Here's what happens when you fall into a black hole. Black holes are pretty freaky things. The closer you get to the center, the more space and time become completely meaningless. It's been theorized you would be hanging in nothingness for all eternity or shredded apart into the smallest possible pieces. Either way, it's pretty certain it won't go as well for you as it did for Matthew McConaughey in Interstellar. 9. The universe is going to rip itself apart. Instead of collapsing in on itself, another theorized way the universe could end would be expanding so much it'll eventually rip itself to pieces. Galaxies, solar systems, everything down to its atoms will be split apart. If that does happen, lucky for you it'll be a while from now. 10. Venus is what Earth will become due to climate change. Earth and Venus have been called twins separated at birth. They have very similar size, mass, and composition. Only one sustains life and the other is a galactic wasteland. The reason for that is Venus' atmosphere mostly consists of the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide, which has cooked the surface of the planet to 870 degrees Fahrenheit. As we're sure you know, people are pretty concerned about the level of carbon dioxide going up on Earth too. 11. The universe will collapse in on itself. According to a paper published in the Physical Review Letters, the existence of dark energy in the universe could mean that we only have a few tens of billions of years left before the universe will collapse in on itself. Apparently, the expansion of the universe is much larger than we thought. Which means eventually it'll become too big and come crashing down. Some of these really blew my mind horribly. What theory do you put on this list? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe us and send the video to your friends. Tell us what to make a video about.